Your smile goes a long way in making a great first impression, but if you're embarrassed by your teeth, the emotional impact goes beyond that first meeting. The G4 implant solution is changing smiles and lives, and Dr. Todd Anderson of G4 by Golpa is here, along with patient Sterling Ford. Good morning to both of you. Glad to have you both here. First of all, Dr. Anderson, what is the G4 implant solution?
The G4 implant solution is the most advanced treatment protocol for restoring a full mouth of teeth. Using the latest technology and using a lot of things that we've learned along the way, we're able to give patients their full mouth implants and their permanent final teeth all in 24 hours.
It's amazing.
It's so fun to be a part of.
Okay, so Sterling, can you tell us a little bit about what brought you to G4 by Golpa?
Confidence. I spent a lot of time with several multinational organizations during my career, and much of that involves communication. And unfortunately, my communication and style of communication got impaired over the years because of bad dental treatments over the years. A lot of just bad recommendations, bad procedures, and then you have the normal failings of teeth, and suddenly I was doing some things subconsciously that negatively impacted my ability.
We've actually got a before picture, so
oh my goodness.
Let's take a look at that. Okay, what comes to mind as you see that?
A little scary. I still see parts of the smile, but I also see the years of poor treatment. I also see the broken tooth that I had coming back on an airplane flight, and some of the other things that were not necessarily confidence
Okay,
builders.
so give us a big smile right now, and we're going to take a picture. That is a beautiful smile. Okay, how was your overall experience with the procedure, and would you recommend it?
The procedure was phenomenal. The G4 process and Dr. Anderson and his team are just very professional. The facility is state of the art. The technology that they use, the material science that they use, and the before and after, just phenomenal. So I would highly recommend the process.
Okay, so Dr. Anderson, for people watching at home who may be interested, who is a good candidate?
I mean, you know, if I'm being honest, we have patients in their 20s, we have patients in their 90s.
Wow.
This is for people that are in dentures, partial dentures, missing multiple teeth, bad gum disease. It's people who have failing teeth.
All right, thanks so much for coming in. Sterling, thank you for sharing your experience with us.
Thank you
We
so
appreciate
much.
it.
Thank you, Jen.
Call 214-295-9420 for more information about the G4 implant solution. You can also log on to the website g4bygolpa.com.